Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Tommy Lee Sparta freed of scamming charges. The Sparta boss is now a free man after prosecutors dropped his lottery scamming case. Charges are also dismissed against his co-accused O'Brien Smith. Both men were arrested and charged in February of 2014 after police raided a house in the Kingston 5 area believed to be occupied by the entertainer. A senior police officer testified in court that he found lottery scamming paraphernalia on a laptop, including information about United States citizens. Yesterday, the men walked free from the High Court after the presiding judge upheld a no-case submission made by their lawyer Ernest Smith. The best of both worlds collide on Stylo G's dancehall banger Touchdown remix. British rapper Stylo G has recruited Nicki Minaj and Vybz Kartel for Touchdown remix, making it the first time that they're working together on the same single. Speaking with E-Prime, the rapper shared how the remix came together.
The remix came in place by social media. Nicki Minaj, me and her talking in the DMs, and then after that, I can't even believe that she voiced it. And big up Nicki Minaj. She been following me from Adonia Zimi, and she tweeted out the lyrics for that song there on Twitter, and then it went viral in the UK and in America and stuff like that. So to have Nicki Minaj messaging you on Instagram and saying that she love your song and she want to be a part of it, you can't itch, you have to move. To have Vybz Kartel as a top teacher on your song, it's a dream collab. So big up the teacher himself, and yeah, him destroy it.
Since its release earlier this month, the Touchdown remix has amassed over 1.2 million views and is currently the #2 trending song on YouTube. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.